Listen to what I'm saying. An effective CRM or client relationship management system that works for you for where you are right now. Now, I know many of you are on several different levels, right? Some of you are just starting out. Some of you have been doing this for a while. Some of you are, soaring high. And you still may need to revisit the system that you're using that allows for you to capture your leads, to track, to not track, but to capture them and communicate with them. Okay. Capture them and communicate with them on a consistent basis. Again, this is about building your foundation. Business is built on relationships. Relationships are built through communication. Follow with me. Who's tracking with me? Hey, good evening. Thanks for being here. Who's tracking with me? Okay. So having a CRM. Now, what is a CRM? A CRM can be many different things. They come from just sending emails or collecting emails all the way through holding an entire platform for everything you need for your business. You have to decide where you are. So one of the ones that is just for beginners, I think, or not beginners, because I still use it. I still have stuff on the platform. So I'm not going to say that. But MailerLite is a really easy and ineffective. I'm not real techie, but MailerLite is super easy. That's why I keep it. In case I ever get to the situation where I need to do something real quick and the VAs aren't available or the team can't help me, guess what? I can do it myself if it's that important, right? So make sure that MailerLite is a simple, effective, inexpensive way to have some automation in place. Or you can have something. I was on a system called Entreport for a few years, and it was an all-in-one